There's totally a mess behind me, but we just gonna keep moving, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's Saturday video, I usually do vlogs, but today I'm just going to do a short one right here, and that is because I am doing my regular monthly Splendies video. Splendies is not sponsoring this video. I'm not getting paid to post this, but I do get sent Splendies for free every single month, and I love showing it to you guys and sharing the subscription service with you because I think it's a really great deal. Before we get into everything, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and turn on the post notification bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video, and feel free to follow me on my social media handles at glamanisto8 pretty much everywhere. That way you can see behind the scenes content and other glam and ratchet parts of my life. By the way, I guess I should say hi, my name is Girly and I make girly glam and slightly ratchet content here online. So without further ado, we're just gonna get right into everything today. Alrighty guys, you guys know the drill. If you're new to my channel, Splendies is a subscription service for underwear. They send you 3 beautiful, comfortable pairs of underwear each month, and they have upped their game since they first started. Now you can customize the sizes. They have a larger size range for you guys to choose from, and you can also choose exactly what type of fit you want sent to you every single month. I like Splendies because it takes the effort out of making sure that your underwear drawer is up to date. I think like having new fresh underwear is one of like the basic things. Like if you're not going to spend money anywhere else in your wardrobe, just get yourself some new nice underwear every now and then. And this is great because you don't have to worry about going to the store in the middle of a pandemic. You get cute styles that are comfortable, and you get them frequently enough that you don't even have to think twice about repurchasing underwear anymore. And all of this is at a super affordable cost, and their subscription service is super simple to sign up for and process, so it's not like tricky like the old original subscription services for other underwear brands that kind of scammed you out of your money. This isn't doing that. Plus, the best thing about this is if you share Splendies on social media and use their hashtag, they will give a pair to someone in need. So I am going to show you guys my January subscription so you guys can get a taste of what might come in yours. Alright, so it always comes in some cute little wrapping paper. This is giving me New Year, new undies, okay? And let's see, these are adorable. Oh my gosh, okay, these are just, I'm shook, okay? I usually get a range of different underwear, and I really appreciate that because I can try out different things. The first, this is a really great pack, you guys, I'm shook. The first pair is a like bikini hipster style, you know, like the full coverage type of underwear. I'm going blank on the name of this, but I love this. This is like a spandexy type of material, very stretchy, and I can't tell if you guys can tell on camera, but it's black, but then this color is like this beautiful peachy, like nudie pink color, and it shimmers. That is adorable. This is so chic. I actually really like this. It's so simple, but I'm obsessed. I like this. Look how cute it is. So that's pair number 1. Pair number 2 is a thong. You guys know I'm not a huge fan of thongs, but I do keep the ones that I have. 1, because they're cute, and 2, because they're really convenient when you wear leggings and things and you don't want underwear lines. So this is actually really cute. It's navy, and this is made out of cotton material, so even though it's going to be all up in your hoo-ha, it's still a nice material for you to be, you know, breathing down there. The lining is this really cool, it's not lace, it's almost like a crochet-y type of pattern, but I like this. I think this is really cute. It's giving me like female jockstrap vibes, but make it fashion. Okay, third pair is absolutely adorable, and I'm obsessed, and this is more of like a cheeky but still full coverage, high-waisted type of style. Boom! Oh, here it is. So this is so cute. So the top part of it is again like this like flexible, super stretchy spandexy material, and all 3 of these underwears are very comfortable and very good quality, by the way. I should add that. So the top is super cute. It is navy and polka dotted, and then it has a red bow and the red lace near the bottom. This is cute. I actually don't have any other pairs with this like 2 textured type of look going on from Splendies, and I have like, I think 90% of my underwear now is from Splendies, so I'm actually really psyched about this because it doesn't look like anything else that I've gotten from them. This is really cute. So yeah guys, these are my underwears for the month. I apologize if you were anticipating a longer vlog for today, but I promise you the vlogs are still going to be coming on Saturdays, so stay tuned. Let me know down below which pair is the cutest to you. I am in between the black and the polka dots, but I really like the little polka dots. I think it's so cute. They all look like very cute together too. Aesthetics, we got it going. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and with all this being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.